Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 2. There's a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon. I do make a small commission from any purchases. Looks like today we're doing number 153. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 5. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 5. 3 here, so 1, 5, and no help here, 1, 3, 5. For this box, we're missing 1, 2, and 3. We've got a 1 covering these two boxes, so our 1 must be here. And I don't see any other help, so 2, 3, 2, 3. For this bottom row, we're missing 3, 4, and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 3, 6. 4 here, so 3, 6. That means the only place our 4 can be in that row is here. If we look at this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. And I don't see any help. So 2, 3, 5, 2, 3, 5. For this column, we're missing 1, 3, 5, and 6. We've got the 3 here, so 1, 5, 6, 3, 5, and 6 here. So that means this is our 1. We can get rid of this 1. No help here. 3, 5, 6. And a 5 here, so 3, 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 3, 6, 8, and 9. We've got the 3 here, so 6, 8, 9. 8 here, so 3, 6, 9. 8 covering both of these boxes. So 3, 6, 9. So if we look, the only place our 8 can be in that column is here. For this row now, we're missing 4, 8, and 9. We've got the 4 covering these two boxes, so our 4 must be here. We've got 4 and 9 here, so this is our 8, 9. For this box now, we're missing 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 6 here, so this is our 7. I don't see any other help. So 5, 6. For this top row, we're missing 1, 5, 6, and 7. We've got 5 and 7 here, so 1, 6. 5 here, so 1, 6, 7. For this box, we're missing 1, 6, 7, and 9. We've got the 7 covering both boxes, but I don't see any other help. So 1, 6, 9, 1, 6, 9. For this box, we're missing 2, 3, 6, 9. But we've got the 3 covering all of these. So we've got a 9 here, so 2, 6, but no other help. So 2, 6, 9, 2, 6, 9. And that means for that box, our 3 has to be here. That 3 makes this our 6, 5, 3. That 5 makes this our 1. So let's do some cleanup with that 1. We can get rid of this 1. Oh, That 1 makes this our 6, 7. So now in this box, we can get rid of the 6 and the 6. And that 5 makes this our 6. All right. So for this column, we're missing 2, 3, and 5, and our 5 can't be here, so it must be here. And that means we can get rid of this 5. For this box now, we're missing 2, 4, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 2, 4, 8 here, so 2, 4. That means our 8 for that box has to be here. If we look at this row, we're missing 2, 4, and 9. I don't see any help, so 2, 4, 9, but I do see with this 6, we can get rid of this 6. If we look at this column, we're missing 1, 3, and 9. We've got a 1 here. So 3, 9, and no help here. 1, 3, 9. If we look at this row, we're missing 1, 2, 6, and 9. No help here. 1, 2, 6, 9. 1 and 2 here, so 6, 9. Oh, we've got that 3 there, so that 3 makes this our 2. Now we can get rid of this 2, this 2, this 2, and this 2. For this column, we're missing 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 3, 5, 6, 6 here, so 3, 5, 9, and no help here, 3, 5, 6, 9. If we look at this box, we're missing 2, 3, 5, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 here, so 2, 3, 5, 9. No help here. 2, 3, 5, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. We've got the 2 here. So 3, 4, 5, 6. And for this column, we're missing 1, 2, 5, 6, and 9. We've got the 2 here and the 6 here. So 1, 5, 9. So let's see what we can do here. So in this column, the only place the 5 can be is here. And the only place the 1 can be is here, and that 1 makes this our 9. That 9 makes this our 3, 1. That 3 makes this our 2, 3. Let's do some cleanup. Get rid of, oh, so that 3 makes this our 6, 3, and that 3 and 6 makes this our 9. So now that 3 makes this our 5, 3, 5. All right. So we can get rid of the 2, 3, and 9 here. 3 and 9 here. Now we're only missing a 2 and 9 for this row, and we've got a 2 here. So this is our 9, 2. That 9 makes this our 6, 9, 2, 6. That 2 makes this our 4, 2. That 6 makes this our 5, 6. 5 and 6 makes this our 3. And so now we can just look. This row we're missing a 1. This row we're missing a 9. And for this row we've got 1, 2, 3. We're missing a 4. That one got kind of messy, but we got through it. So that will do it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a really good day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.